Hello guys, thank you for watching Flores My Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe so you will get more videos like this. And please don't forget to click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Look! Ouch! It's heavy. Wow, I wonder what is this. Let's see. Let's all have a look, guys. Oopsie.
Ja, de kan jag. Det är det med.
It's like the stabbing feeling. What is this? What is this? Oops. Oh. You need some more cutting. There. My life is easy. Oops. What are all this metal? Metal? Another metal? I'm so excited. What is this? Oh, a hook. Metal. Wow. Oh dear. This is so mysterious. I wonder what is this. It is. Wow. Oops. Sorry. Assembly. Oh my god! I need something. I need this.
I got that for you as a replacement for the collapsing
Is it for
shelf outside.
outside?
Yeah.
Ah, is it not for inside?
No. The only thing is if you put that plastic thing on it, then it won't get any rainwater, so maybe we just leave that off.
Oh.
It's like the one we put in the shed years ago.
Yeah.
Like a tiny greenhouse, but I just bought it to use as shelf unit so you can put your pots outside, because the other one is almost completely gone.
I need
Collapse.
this. But I need this inside too.
There's no room inside.
Huh?
There's no room inside.
In here, in the other room.
No.
This room. Wow. This is a green.
Maybe just leave them in the box for the time being.
This
Those are the
is.
shelves.
Oh, so this is the shelving.
Should be 4 of them.
Yeah, it's 4. Wow.
Anything else in the box, or is that it?
There's some one more, and then one more. I need to. Come on, baby. That is the.
Talking about baby. There.
Oh, our baby
Come
is
to
here.
examine.
Okay.
Hello, baby.
Is the checking done?
Love you. Love mommy too.
Oh, okay. Come here, baby. Come here. Sorry, I'll put it here. Okay. Alright, guys. So, if you're wondering, this is that. So, it's shelving. It's like a greenhouse that you. So this one
There's
will
no
cover
full
the
picture.
thing. No, there's no full picture.
That is on the box.
There is on the box.
Yeah. Tiny.
Okay, so just put it in there. So it doesn't. So that is the product.
what it will look like when it's assembled.
Yeah, so
To put
it's a,
plants on there and put it in the
yeah, it's a
outside.
greenhouse, this. So it's a greenhouse.
Yeah. A tiny greenhouse.
A tiny greenhouse. Wow, I got greenhouse.
Only thing
Lovely.
is, as I said, if we put the plastic on it, then things will get moldy and they won't get any rainwater, so we just have to leave that off, I think.
The covering.
Yeah.
But where are we going to assemble? It must be outside.
Yeah.
So, okay guys, so we will make the second part of this for the assembly. Because it must be outside, or else it
Assemble in the kitchen and then.
or else it cannot come out of the door.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
so sure.
Yeah, because it's quite big. So maybe I'm sorry. I'm just trying. Yeah. But well, when it's assembled, it's difficult. Maybe it does sideways. Yeah. So to be continued, guys. Okay. So see you in a bit. Okay, guys.